Want to make the perfect martini? Today, we're breaking down classic versus modern martini techniques, the best ingredients, and expert shaking versus stirring tips. Stick around for pro-level cocktail tricks. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're learning how to make the perfect martini, from classic gin recipes to Bond-style vodka martinis. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your base spirit. Classic gin martini. Bold, herbal flavors with a crisp finish. Vodka martini. Smoother, cleaner taste, perfect for a lighter drink. Best ratio, 2.5 ounces of gin or vodka, plus half an ounce of dry vermouth. Step 2. The martini debate. Shaken or stirred? Shaken, James Bond style. Creates tiny ice shards for a super cold drink. Stirred, classic method. Smoother texture avoids dilution. Rule of thumb. Shake for a refreshing martini, stir for a silky, refined finish. Step 3. Prepping the glass. Chill the glass. First, fill with ice water for 2 to 3 minutes before pouring. Rinse with dry vermouth. Swirl a splash around, then discard for a subtle flavor. Salt or sugar rim. Not traditional, but adds a unique twist. Step 4. Mixing and pouring the perfect martini. Add spirit and vermouth to shaker or mixing glass. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds or stir for 30 seconds until frosty cold. Strain into chilled glass. Step 5. Martini garnishes and customizations. Classic olive garnish brings a salty umami touch. Lemon twist adds a bright citrus aroma. Dirty martini, olive brine, enhances saltiness for a bolder flavor. Gibson martini, cocktail onion, a slightly sweeter pickled twist. Now you know how to make the perfect martini your way. Are you team gin or vodka? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cocktail tips. Want to master more classic cocktails? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert bartending techniques and drink recipes.